They can't see you. Kaya's saying good morning, but we are...
Good morning.
Shh, I'm talking. That's not closed all the way. We are... Close it all the way, please. We're going to teach my last music and movement class of the summer. I had to cancel last week because COVID. We all had, well actually Kaya and I had COVID. That's still not closed. The boys never tested positive and they were never symptomatic. So I guess they didn't have it.
My arm is sore.
But today's the last day that we are going to be in Rochester because we're going on vacation. We're going on vacation. We're going on vacation. Woo, 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 yeah. But first we need to go teach my class. What'd you say?
Comment down below if you think she's the weirdest mother ever.
Just comment down below me.
Have you ever watched a YouTube video?
What's a YouTube video?
Now that's like super bright. Comment, that looks so weird. Adjust, thank you. Yeah, you heard what she said. Comment down below if you think I'm the coolest mother ever.
Now I said
Down below.
she's the weirdest mother in the world.
Nah. Oh.
I didn't notice. I'm so sorry.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
We're going to the post office. She's in. This is my brother Timmy. Oh, what's he eating? That's my brother.
This is the most boring video you've ever made. Speaking of, you've never made a video. That's why it's so annoying.
I made a video before. Oh, she's out.
Yay, so exciting, Kaya. Who cares? She's joking. This is...
Yeah, she's weird. Look at her.
so annoying. You are. I came back here and videoed everyone.
Alright, turn it off. Get buckled.
I came back here and videoed everyone. And then she put...
Alright, get buckled. Do you guys know where we are?
No.
We haven't been here in a long time. Mama's gotta go see Dr. Hickey. What's Dr. Hickey gotta fix?
Your butt.
Kaya Rose.
I was gonna say that, Kaya.
She's gotta fix my back because my lower back has been killing me. So it's been hurting badly. So she's gonna help me fix it.
You're strong.
That's a skeleton.
Mommy, I could see one of these fish skeletons.
His skeleton.
Yeah.
Look it.
Oh, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Go, go slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
What day is it?
Vacation day.
Vacation day!
And I found a ladybug for good luck.
Are you holding it?
Yes.
Cool. Alright, we're hitting the road and I think that's the end of this vlog because I will do a different vlog on our vacation. Woo!